To online is with our favorite Tony Da Aniruddha Roy Choudhury, and we are at Hemontir Oporanno's premiere. Tony Da, what do you love about Ashok Vishwanathan's film, and what would be your message to the team today?
I have seen Shundo Theke Shuru, that was fantastic, and my friend Vivek Banerjee, he shot the film long time back. তো খুব সেরিব্রাল ছবি, রিদমান দা অ্যাক্টিং করেছিলেন, যতদূর মনে আছে অনেক আগে দেখেছিলাম, আমার মনে হয় 90s-এ। তো অনুষা আমার খুব বন্ধু, মাই ইয়াং ফ্রেন্ড, তো ও বলল এসো আমাদের ছবি। অবভিয়াসলি অনেক শুভেচ্ছা পুরো টিমকে, ভালো হোক। অবভিয়াসলি বাংলা ছবি যত ভালো হবে, যত লোকে দেখবে, তত আমাদের সুবিধে। আর আমাদের বলতে যারা ছবি দেখি সবসময়, ছবি করি তো ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু ছবি দেখিও। তো সবাইকে অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, গুড উইশেস, বেস্ট অফ লাক।
There was a very deep, important message. A lot of elements were there which gave a lot of messages, and altogether it was a very unique package. In Bangla যদি আমি বলি সিনেমার মধ্যে নাটক, নাটকের মধ্যে সিনেমা, though story of an elderly person, challenges of an elderly person has been done earlier also, but this time with a very unique elements he has presented the film. So what I felt that this is a film which Bengali audience will like. So I thought let me again experiment.
For me it's special because Ashok uncle is my super senior from Institute FTII, so there is always eagerness onar chobi dekhar jonno. Also recently in Nevermind, Anusha was part of me, so she is my co-star now, so I am also eager to watch it, and Ritu is a very good friend, so I have come here to show my support for their film, and I am really looking forward to watching it.
Ashok Vishwanathan has always been my favorite, and I was actually looking forward, and Amit Agarwal has presented the film, and we have been talking about it for a long time, and in fact I had been there for the screening and I simply loved it. So I'm sure that audience are going to love the film, and especially that Ritu Bratto is one of my favorite actors in this, and my last film was with him. So I wish Ritu Bratto and Amit Agarwal, Ashok ji, and all the team, all the actors, all the very best, and I'm sure that audience is going to love it.
Ashok's not that I've seen all of his films, but so I would say amongst the ones that I've seen his first was an interesting at all. I think it got the first debut for me.
Thank you.
Well, what I like about the film is that I enjoyed it, definitely. And the favorite is, well, to start with that, I find, I like his Shundo Theke Shuru very much. And I find that he is one filmmaker who is definitely not treading the known line, and he is definitely saying his own words, which is a very difficult thing to do these days, to speak out one's own heart. He is doing it very strongly, and he is succeeding in it also.
Thank you.
My son is very lucky that he has worked with me, and I think that he has learned a lot from us, and we will see the reflection of Ashok Vishwanathan within all the artists. I think the subject Ashok has chosen is like him, not like others. We will enjoy everything, and this is a good learning for my son.
সমস্যার মধ্যে দিয়ে গেছে যে কোনো চিত্র নির্মাতাই যান, যে কোনো পরিচালকই যান, কিন্তু এই স্ট্রাগলটা চালিয়ে গেছে, কম্প্রোমাইজ ভালো ছবি ও আছে ভালো ছবি, তারা কোনো সেই জায়গা থেকে এটা কিন্তু অশোকের একটা বিশাল অবদান। এমন শিল্পীরা নিয়েছে যারা স্টার, এই ছবিটা হ্যাজ মেড আ স্টেটমেন্ট এগেইনস্ট দ্য স্টার সিস্টেম। এই যে স্টারদের নিয়ে চলা, তারপর সে ছবি হিরো বলে সেটা স্টারের কৃতিত্ব হলো, এই জায়গাটা থেকে সম্পূর্ণ বেরিয়ে এসেছে। অনুষা বিশ্বনাথন যে একটা মেজর রোল করছে, সে হয়তো কিছুটা পরিচিত, ঋতব্রত যথেষ্টই পরিচিত, অসাধারণ একজন অ্যাক্টর। কিন্তু বাকিদের কথা যদি বলেন, এমনও আছেন যিনি প্রধান চরিত্রে অভিনয় করেছেন, যিনি অভিনয়ই করেন, অর্থাৎ এরা স্টেজে হচ্ছে সিনেমায়। তো ফলে আমার মনে হয় যে এই জায়গাটা খুব একটা জরুরি দরকার। চারপাশে আপনি এখন তাকিয়ে দেখুন শুধু স্ট্রাগলিং অ্যাক্টর, তো তাদের দিতে হবে। সবাই যদি নামি দামি চেহারার পিছনে দৌড়ন তাহলে
Anusha, you're looking beautiful. So what did you like? What did you have in mind before selecting your premiere look today?
This is actually a very special sari and blouse business look. Not the hair and the makeup, but this is the same sari that I wore to my college farewell.
Okay.
And I wanted to, since it's a happy memory, I wanted to wear this sari today because this is such a special film.
Okay, and what kind of reactions are you getting? We just completed watching the film.
Honestly, I am overwhelmed by the kind of reactions people are giving, and there are so many like senior actors and directors who come to watch, and they are them complimenting me is like a huge thing. I don't even know how to say thank you. So I really hope that this translates to like people coming and watching the film on their own. And because it's a film that really touches you.
So we just finished watching the film. So what kind of response are you getting?
Mostly positive. Mostly, I think after watching such a film like Hemonter Oporanno, you don't feel like speaking for a few minutes. You let it sink in. But still, since we have so many friends and colleagues and seniors from the industry, it's very encouraging the way they appreciate. I think the best compliment I just got, I don't know if you just recorded it, I got Shamula Kiss My Cheeks, and also Anusha's grandmother, I mean Madhumanti Auntie's mother, she said that I stood out actually. So which is a huge compliment, when it comes to connecting with generations of audience.
So very good response. People are finding it rather sensitive. They're feeling it and identifying with it because it tells the story of a bonding, and which is a little painful, but that pain is very believable and palpable.
Essentially, it talks about the bridge between the theatre actor, direction, and all departments of theatre and film, and the connecting link, and the fact that we cherish our roots much lesser these days, not knowingly, of course, but then there is a place where you can reform yourself, and that would be this movie. Hemonter Oporanno, of course, Ashok Vishwanathan ji has done wonderfully. I had an amazing time working in a camera in this film, and I love all the actors. I think everybody has done stupendously, and I wish everybody in the team the best.
Everything about this film is so multi-layered, and time is, there is no such timeline কিছু নেই তো, and the way we are traveling from one emotion, one expectation, one time, one difficulty, one trauma to the other, one nostalgia to another, and plus dreams and everything, and the time change. So it's all very interesting. To put in so many things together, and the performances are obviously very nice, and it's very cinematic and very beautiful.